From an ember comes a blinding spark. Don't you know I'm still standing, rising like the tide, with the strength of the ocean burning deep inside. I survived the storm, breaking through the night, step by step, walking back to life. Walking back to life. Scars are just